Nailak si Ma'am Alipit. Good morning, Ma'am. Best friend si Ma'am Bangloy. Dahil namang kabat siya ng principal. Nailak si Sir, si Uncle Ayos na kukuboy. Guys na, Uncle, tatumbuka ka na. Amin ay bisita ay malingwani, ay maiwad malabasan, na co-teachers, Ma'am Elisa, isang isdi. Si Paddy, ito pa yung kasangay Paddy? Yung kasangay Paddy? Yes, Paddy, good morning. Amin ay kakabagyan, gagayong, son ka nang si Elias, ikaw niya ay acquaintances si Ma'am Elisa, ng estudyante. Mantataan ng estudyante kay gaya ilila si Ma'am. Kung ada kami, dato sa Sanborn is na 2010 onwards. Gawin ay agsapat ako idwani ay mayuwad labas na. Ma'am Elisa was my English teacher when I was in high school. Kanagsang kanan si Aligmayo ikaw ni I cannot speak in English fluently, no bakan si Ma'am. Kanayo na ay emphasize ng subject-verb agreement. San ari bagbagan si ikaw ni idea sa sentence pattern ay wada na malinlinyaan, wada malinlinyaan si Dua. Sabi na expertise Ma'am. Tapno, naman sapo ka is, mansapo is paragraph na at correct na isosolo na. I started my high school days in 1976.
Yes.
Nang graduate kami is na 1980. Second year kami di man si Ma'am. Kinmaanak, umayak na nuskila, dapat sumubli, dinaknak na ida ay co-teacher. 5 kami dili. Si Ma'am Elisa, si Primo, sa si Ma'am Alanggi, si Sir Langtiwan, si Sir Ivan, ay anong kami upay. Ma'am Elisa had been very motherly to me. Nalayin siya ng English. I am a science teacher, but she gave me the opportunity to handle campus journalism. Ng campus journalism, na may magkikontest ka ng estila, is na mansulat, siya man i-broadcast is na radio. That is the reason why nakakauyak is na different regions before the era because of her mentorship. Inasasistahan na sa kanda pa naman sulat yung mga sa newspaper kasi adiyot tonight. Da kami isulat is na iswada na ikukuk is niya ay nangada na stylos at numakasato kami is news. Na kami gas-gasagasan si at nung maka-produce kami is 11 to 13 pages ay newspaper news kilaan. And that was because of her. That is mampasalamat ako siya kay tuli uray no naligat na musulat idwanin nalakalakangay tayo man na computer lakat i-reason adilit kaya siya ng term lakat kasing sulatan it is because we were able to bring students to Abra, to Apayao, to all the different regions of the Cordillera attending campus competitions, journalism competitions, and that was because of her mentorship. Isa 1995, nagtanang opportunity ay umaymon exam, isang scholarship si Lucio Tan, tatno makauskila in Ateneo de Manila University. Inuuna na, tayo studiman man-live. Masabsisutan daw, siyempre na adi ipalubos sila, school head, adi maglang. Pinulang naman sa kan, ay nang-prepare is documents. Tatno matungpal ng pangarap ko, ay umay man iskwila in Manila. Isang nakauskila is Ateneo de Manila University, Quezon City. Isa na January 2013, imuyak na exam is ng principal examinations. I brought with me her blessings and I was lucky because I passed the exam. Manjon Pai, dapat i-deploy sa Idabatan National High School, dapat man-retire. Man-retire siya. Man-retire at sukatanan another school head. Wala man organization, the secondary school heads ay no wala man retire ay school head, the secondary, at umay ma-send off. Isa nga may send off sa Supreme Hotel is on September 2013.
Yes.
Sa kanan nito is tribute speech para kay ma'am. Today, I'm standing here again to give my last respect. I'm giving my sincere gratitude to ma'am for her participation to what I have become today. Ibinatik si Joy Kubaban, kanana, may punpon si Ma'am Bangloy Isakdat. Ngayon, putpay mo ay dagos, anak. Ito nga tinawagak si Jumar, anak Jumar. Dapat alas 9 ng gabi. Ungkat man alay flag ito silaan. Parang kay deliver itanap. Tay siya ni God, wadanan bill. I know if I am correct. I know maflagan na ang isang teacher man pada kanilang explanation kita adigmayo dito ni kanan Jumar umagyatak mama ang sila. Kanak dia yung katang kamang Islam. So, ma'am, bon voyage. We will meet in the land that is fairer than this. Thank you very much. Is na company ay nang kadkaduaan ako. I have been a teacher for 26 years. Kadkaduak siya. Sakpay tinmaan at umayak Idabatan. So, that is my tribute. Ayaga kumanan na alumni. Mani kayo sa takantaan takusan old Bagninhin. Tay Barbaro ng Bagninhin idwan ang kanta ng estudyante si Maoni. So nga kantaan takunan sa old Bagninhin I love to tell the story. Tay kayat na din. Alam mani kayo. Na kantaan takot at mga pupunok ako. Na. Alam na.